Hey everyone, Joe here at Joe's Bikes. This is a 2023 Aprilia Tuono 1100 V4RR with just over 3,000 miles on it. The bike is immaculate. It's extremely clean. Real nice red and black color scheme on it. And it's got some nice upgrades on it. We'll go through. You'll see it's got a Leo Vinci full exhaust on it. Sounds awesome. Also has a fender eliminator. It's got the padding all around the tank. These bikes are equipped with many features. They have adjustable ABS brakes, adjustable traction control, wheelie control, engine braking, selective ride modes. They're an absolute blast to ride. Yeah, your quick shifter. And again, it's very, very clean. Again, let's see, there's a traction control, wheelie control, engine mapping, engine braking, launch control, ABS brakes. Let's get it fired up. Sounds incredible. Real nice, low mileage, clean bike. In excellent, excellent condition. And as usual, the price listed is the price out the door. We don't do any dealer fees here. And we do have the ability to ship this nationwide. Let us know if you want to check it out.
Thanks for checking out our video. We do have the ability to ship these bikes nationwide. So if you want this bike shipped right to your door, just let us know.
And we do like to be fully transparent, so the price you see listed is always the price out the door. There are 0 dealer fees. If you want to learn more about our business or follow us on YouTube, click one of these links.